Hey guys, so if you get down on Gorilla Tag, today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get Gorilla Tag mobile for iPhone and Android. So let's get into the tutorial and I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So it's really cool, guys. So first things first, all you have to do is go over to tweakmod.com. So once you're on this site, guys, just type in Gorilla Tag, press install. And before it downloads, is going to be verification. This is the last step to get Gorilla Tag on your phone, the verification. So what we have to do is download 2 apps, and then we will have Gorilla Tag on our phone. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load. As you can see, so yeah, I don't do videos anymore, but a lot of people were yelling at me. They were like, can you play Gorilla Tag on mobile? So I said, you know what, I'm gonna make a video on how to get Gorilla Tag on mobile. So as you can see, guys, it's loading right now. So let's just give it a second for this to load up, and then it's gonna take us to the last step, which is where we gotta download the 2 apps. So as you can see, guys, it's gonna say missing files. So just pick 2 of them. For instance, like Family Island's a game, it says reach level 10, so I could do that. I could do the Travel Town. I could do the Underdog, which says down and run for 30 seconds. So just make sure you do 2 of them. There is a video to watch if you're confused, but that's how to get Gorilla Tag on your phone. It's really fun. And a lot of people hate on me because I provide real videos, but yeah, that's how to play Gorilla Tag on the go, guys. Gorilla Tag on the go. So it is available for our devices, but if you check the App Store, you'll find it's not there. So make sure you do 2 of the apps. They've also got these things where you got to do like a survey. But it's all very easy. There is a YouTube tutorial here you can watch if you're really confused. But there you go, guys. Tweakmod.com. That's the website where you can download Gorilla Tag on mobile. So that is super awesome. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you guys want to have Gorilla Tag.